A good smelling home instantly lifts your mood, but all it takes is one bad odor from the bathroom, your sofa, or even your clothes to throw everything off. And no matter how much you clean, some smells just refuse to go away. That's where a solid odor eliminator comes in. The right one doesn't just mask the scent, it actually gets rid of it, leaving your space feeling fresh, clean, and comfortable again. So in this video, I'm going through the 8 best odor eliminators that are truly worth buying. These options work on clothes, carpets, furniture, bathrooms, pretty much anywhere odors like to hide, and they make keeping your home fresh way easier. You'll find links to the best prices for all the odor eliminators mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these odor eliminators aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 8 is the Arm & Hammer Moisture Absorber and Odor Eliminator Tub. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you have one room that always feels a little damp or smells off, this tub quietly fixes that without you doing anything extra. It pulls in extra moisture from the air and traps it inside, and also gets rid of the musty smell that comes with it. You don't need any setup. Just pour the crystals into the tub, close the lid, and let it sit. The crystals slowly dissolve as they collect moisture, and when they're gone, toss the tub and switch to a new one. It works well in bathrooms, closets, laundry rooms, and any other small space where the air feels heavy or damp. And each tub can last up to 60 days, sometimes even longer depending on your weather. Overall, if you want an easy, hands-off way to cut down moisture and get rid of musty odors without spending much, the Arm & Hammer Moisture Absorber Tub is a solid choice. Number 7 is the Dr. Scholl's Odor X Ultra Odor Fighting Foot Powder. This odor eliminator is best for shoes on our list. If you've ever slipped off your shoes and instantly regretted it, this powder can fix it. It keeps your feet dry and fights odor fast, even if you're on your feet all day or you wear shoes without socks. It's a simple sprinkle-on powder. Just tap a bit onto your feet, between your toes, or straight into your shoes, and that's it. It's talc-free, so it's safe for daily use, and it destroys odor on contact. It also absorbs sweat, which helps stop that damp, warm feeling that makes smells even worse. And it's not just for a quick fix, it's built to give up to 48 hours of protection. That means your shoes stay fresher even on long days or during workouts. This one comes in a 6.25-ounce bottle, and the 3-pack is usually the best value if you want to stock up. Overall, if you want something easy and reliable to keep your shoes and feet dry, clean, and smell-free, this powder does the job without much effort. Number 6 is the Fresh Wave Odor Removing Gel. This is the best all-purpose odor eliminator on our list. This gel is for those areas in your home that smell a little musty, like the kitchen, bathroom, basement, or even near your pets. It absorbs odors from the air and leaves the room feeling clean and fresh without any overpowering sprays or fake fragrances. Each 15-ounce jar lasts about 30 to 60 days, depending on how strong the smells are and how much air flows through the room. When it starts running low, you can refill it with a simple top-up, which makes it very convenient. The formula is plant-based, made with natural oils like lime, cedarwood, clove, and pine needle, so it's tough on odors but gentle on the environment. Plus, it's free from harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and synthetic perfumes. And it's very easy to apply. Just remove the lid, peel off the foil, and place it wherever you need odor relief. The top design is clean and simple, so even if it sits out in a visible spot, it doesn't look out of place. Overall, if you want an easy, natural, and long-lasting way to keep your home smelling clean, the Fresh Wave Odor Removing Gel is a reliable choice. Number 5 is the Azuna Air Freshener and Odor Eliminator. This is the best plant-based odor eliminator on our list. This one's great if you want to get rid of smells naturally without harsh chemicals. It uses tea tree oil in a gel form to neutralize odors right at the source, so it doesn't just cover up smells from food, smoke, pets, or even trash. It actually removes them from the air. The setup is simple. You get 2 elegant glass jars, fill them with the gel, and place them in the rooms you want to freshen. Each jar keeps working for 60 to 90 days, depending on airflow and how strong the odors are. When it's time, just refill the jar. There's no need to toss the container, which makes it a reusable and eco-friendly option. It's also non-toxic and pet-friendly, which is nice if you have kids or animals at home. It has plant-based ingredients that are safe but effective. The gel releases tiny particles into the air rather than a strong spray, so it keeps your space smelling clean without being overpowering. Overall, if you want a safe, plant-based, and long-lasting way to keep your home smelling fresh, the Azuna Air Freshener and Odor Eliminator is a simple and effective solution. And if you want to know the latest prices for the odor eliminators discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. This is the best odor eliminator for laundry on our list. If your clothes give off a faint smell even after washing, this one's made for that. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer doesn't just mask odors like scent boosters, it kills the bacteria that cause bad odors. It works in both standard and HE machines in cold or warm water and is safe on colors and whites. You use it as a detergent additive, adding it to the fabric softener drawer for a rinse cycle, or as a pre-soak for stubborn odors. The pre-soak method just takes about 15 minutes. Then you rinse or run your regular wash, and most odors are gone. Even strong smells from gym clothes, towels, or kitchen rags get neutralized. It also kills 99.9% of bacteria, which makes your laundry not only smell fresh, but also cleaner. The bottle is 90 ounces, which lasts a long time, and the scent comes in a crisp linen fragrance, light and clean, almost hotel laundry fresh without being overpowering. Overall, if you want your clothes, towels, and sheets to feel fresh and free from odor-causing bacteria, the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer is a smart addition to your laundry routine. Number 3 is the Poo-Pourri Before You Go Toilet Spray. This is the best odor eliminator for the bathroom on our list. If your bathroom smells make you hold your breath every time you walk in, this toilet spray will freshen it up fast. Just spray a few pumps on the water before you go, and it traps odors under the surface so they never make it into the air. You don't have to cover smells with heavy perfumes that mix weirdly with what's already there. The scent is a blend of cedarwood and citrus, which gives the bathroom a fresh, clean vibe without being overpowering. The formula is cruelty-free and Leaping Bunny certified, so it's safe and eco-conscious. Each 2-ounce bottle lasts for about 100 uses, which is plenty, and they also sell smaller 10-milliliter bottles, good for travel, which last around 20 uses. Beyond the toilet, Poo-Pourri's essential oil blend can also tackle other stubborn odors, like smelly laundry, diaper pails, or trash bins, so it's like a multi-purpose little helper for keeping your home smelling fresh. Overall, Poo-Pourri Before You Go works before the smell even starts, it's easy to use, and keeps the air fresh the way it should. Number 2 is the Ellis Harper Fridge Ninja Deodorizer. This is the best odor eliminator for refrigerators on our list. If your fridge sometimes smells like a science experiment gone wrong, the Fridge Ninja is here to help. It uses naturally activated bamboo charcoal, which absorbs odors instead of covering them up with scents. This means even strong food smells, like leftover fish or week-old cheese, don't linger. The Fridge Ninja also helps control humidity inside your fridge, which keeps your fruits and veggies fresher for longer. Unlike baking soda, these deodorizers last up to a year. When they start to lose power, just stick them in the sun for 2 to 4 hours to recharge, and they're good as new. They're simple to use, too. Just pop them in your fridge, freezer, cooler, or even lunch boxes. For fridges, a tiny piece of nanotape works perfectly to stick them wherever you want. Each pack comes with 2 deodorizers, and since they're reusable, it's a one-time investment that keeps your fridge smelling clean for months. Overall, if you want a fridge that smells fresh instead of just less bad, the Ellis Harper Fridge Ninja is a smart, low-maintenance choice. Number 1 is the Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag. This is the best overall odor eliminator on our list. If you've ever opened your closet or car and felt like you just walked into a locker room, the Moso Natural Bag is a simple fix. It uses activated bamboo charcoal to absorb odors rather than covering them up with perfume. That means your shoes, gym bags, closets, or even small rooms actually start smelling clean instead of less bad. Each bag is made from Moso bamboo and comes in an attractive linen pouch, which makes it easy to hang or place anywhere. It works for spaces up to 90 square feet and helps control humidity, so damp smells don't creep in. You just leave the bag in place, and over time, it pulls odors and moisture right out of the air. When the bag gets full of absorbed smells, a quick sun session for a couple of hours recharges it, and it's ready to go again, which makes these bags reusable for months at a time. They're non-toxic, safe for pets and kids, and eco-friendly. Overall, if you want a natural, quiet, and long-lasting way to get rid of odors anywhere, the Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag is the easiest and most reliable choice. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect odor eliminator. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each odor eliminator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.